All practice pages and other materials for learning cursive are available at my Teachers Pay Teachers store at www.teacherspayteachers.com/store/and-FOSNIGHT. Lesson 10, Learning Lowercase O. A lowercase o, very much like a printed O, except it has that bridge that we're going to need to work on and practice. Lowercase o is very much like a lowercase a. You start at the midline, down curve, under curve, touch, and when it's touched, you stop and you make the bridge or mini undercurve. So those are the strokes. Down curve, undercurve, mini undercurve. Down curve, undercurve, mini undercurve. As you get ready to practice lowercase o on your own, remember to have your area nice and clean, just your paper and your pencil. Remember, you're going to want to have your paper slanted, right corner for right-handed, left corner for left-handed. Please don't forget to print your name neatly on the first lines. We have our model of a correctly formed O, followed by our training wheel letters. Remember, it's very important to do our tracing of our training wheel letters because it helps us get our hands familiar with all the strokes and the feel of the letter. We start just below, make a down curve, under curve touch, and the bridge. Again, down curve, under curve touch, and the mini undercurve or the bridge. When your hand is feeling confident and you've traced all of them, you can go ahead and do your next row. When it touches, you're ready for your connector. After you've practiced your 2 lines of training wheel letters and your 2 lines on your own, make sure you look back. Make sure that your letters all are closed like they should be. We don't want them to look like this. Okay, we want them to be closed right in here. Make sure they're not below the baseline or above the midline. Do make sure that you have a slant to them when you turn your paper to straight. Practice carefully. Celebrate your best ones. Fix up any that you could fix up, and we'll be ready to practice connecting O's.